USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about the dollar against the yen. Before we start the video, if you are new to our channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video, you'll find some links so you can join free Telegram channel if you want some free signals every now and then. Check out the brokers in the prop firm here. Sign up with these brokers. I want you to have a separate broker account if you are going to trade with my signals, okay? So if you are using somebody else's signal or trading on your own, you can do that in your existing account. But if you are going to trade with my signals, open a separate broker account because I want to check the accuracy rate. Don't mix anything. In the future, I'll ask you how many trades did you win with my signals. So make sure you are trading in a separate account using these brokers. Subscribe, like, all free. Coming back to the chart, starting with the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the uptrend. So uptrend pullback, we are going up. Weekly doesn't make any sense. So let's get back to daily. In daily, what do we have? We took a very huge pullback. Okay, so these 10-11 days, whoever got into this trap, they must have lost the money. But anyways, we have started the new trend, I believe so. Okay, so yeah, this uptrend and then pullback and then we should go up. Okay, so in daily we don't have any entry signals. So what happens is, if I don't find any entry signal in daily, then I look for 4 hour. Otherwise, I look for entry signal in daily first. If I don't see the signal in daily first entry, then I go to 4 hour just like that. So let's go to 4 hour here. Okay, pullback. Sorry, this is the uptrend. Where's my fib level from here till here? You can see 50%, I believe, right? So yeah, 60% cool, sexy setup. Okay, this is a very sexy setup here. So we have taken a deep pullback. Okay, so uptrend pullback, and now we're gonna go up. When shall you enter long? As soon we have any next candle which is closing above the EMI, you need to enter long, especially after the news today. If the news for dollar today comes positive, then look for longs in USDJPY. You got that? More confirmation, the blue candle needs to close above the EMI, okay? This might happen today, this might happen next week, but look for longs. That's all I have to say. So keep an eye, and we'll update you on Sunday as well, what's going to happen next week. So subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, this and that, and sign up with the broker separate account. I'll see you maybe on Sunday now. Take care. Take care.